am first free.
I am first free and I was just baptized.
I am first free.
I am first free and I serve coffee and donuts every Sunday.
I am first free.
I am first free, serving in the nursery.
I am first free.
I am first free.
I am first free. Yay!
I am first free.
I'm first free at work.
I'm first free and I'm a mom.
I am first free at Sunshine Ministries.
I am first free at the Y.
So faithfully, you're committed to the process that makes me like you, and I feel like I could dance. Oh, you make me want